209 species in genus Phacelia. Phacelia, a love affair with the scorpion weed. Have always been drawn to the subtle beauty of wildflowers. There's a certain charm to their unassuming nature, their ability to thrive in the most unexpected places. Among my favorites is the genus Phacelia, commonly known as scorpionweed or heliotrope. These plants, with their delicate blooms and fascinating forms, have captivated me for years. A diverse genus. Phacelia is a large genus, boasting over 200 species. They are primarily annual or perennial herbaceous plants, belonging to the borage family, Boraginaceae. While they are native to North and South America, California holds a special place in their distribution, harboring over 90 species. This diversity is truly remarkable, with each species exhibiting unique characteristics that make them stand out. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I admire Phacelia. My fascination with Phacelia stems from several factors. First and foremost, their aesthetic appeal is undeniable. The flowers, ranging from deep blues and purples to soft lavenders and whites, are often arranged in intricate clusters, creating a mesmerizing display. The delicate petals and intricate stamens add to their allure, making them a favorite subject for photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. Beyond their beauty, Phacelia plays a crucial role in the ecosystem. They are excellent pollinators, attracting a wide range of bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects. Their presence in a garden or natural landscape can significantly enhance biodiversity. Some species, like Phacelia tenuisetifolia, are also used as cover crops to improve soil health and prevent erosion. Furthermore, I am intrigued by the adaptability of Phacelia. They thrive in diverse habitats, from arid deserts and rocky slopes to meadows and woodlands. This resilience is a testament to their evolutionary success and makes them an interesting subject for ecological research. My experiences with Phacelia. Over the years, I have had the pleasure of encountering various Phacelia species in their natural habitats. I recall a memorable hike in the California hills, where I stumbled upon a field of Phacelia campanularia in full bloom. The sight of those vibrant bluebells carpeting the landscape was simply breathtaking. I have also cultivated Phacelia in my own garden, enjoying the process of observing their growth and development. The satisfaction of seeing them bloom, attracting a myriad of pollinators, is truly rewarding. Conclusion. Phacelia, the unassuming scorpion weed, holds a special place in my heart. Its diversity, beauty, and ecological importance make it a fascinating genus worthy of admiration. Whether I am encountering them in the wild or nurturing them in my garden, Phacelia never ceases to amaze me. I encourage everyone to take a moment to appreciate these often overlooked wildflowers and the vital role they play in our natural world.